Hi guys, and welcome as always to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. Hopefully it's not your first visit to the channel, but if it is, don't forget to check out some of the other videos on the channel for styling, hydro dipping, repairs, you name it, all sorts of stuff on there. So please do check out the videos. But in with us for today, well in fact this one is actually in with us for the rest of the week, or the whole week. We have got a fantastic little Fiat Punto Abarth, quite a rare little car to be honest. Don't see many of these at all. This is a particularly good example of one in good condition. The guy has done quite a few bits and pieces to it already, and he's brought it to us to have some sound deadening done to it, because you get quite a lot of road noise from, do you know what, most cars nowadays, but quite a bit of road noise from this one. So we're doing a few bits of sound deadening. So we use the Dynamat product, fantastic product that. So we've been using that for quite a while doing the sound deadening. Because of what the car is, and it's sort of lightweight and a racy little car, we are going to be using the Dynamat Supalite to do the back section of the floor and the doors. And then we're using the Dynamat Xtreme, which is the sort of slightly heavier duty Dynamat to do all the front footwell. So that'll just stop a lot of the road noise from the front area, and then the Superlight, which is particularly for supercars, that sort of thing, and race cars, we'll use that in the rest of the vehicle to get rid of some of that sound, some of that road noise. Everything's always a little bit tinny on all the vehicles now, so this will make a big difference to that. So stay tuned for this. We're going to get it into the workshop in a moment, so thank you for checking out the video. Don't forget, do like and subscribe to the old channel. It's a big help to us, and of course keeps you fully up to date with everything we are doing. So without any further messing around, as we say, we will roll the old intros and get it into the workshop. Here we go.
Hello, mate.
Hello, pal.
How you doing?
All good.
Good. Right, we got a little Fiat Abarth in for a bit of a dyno matting. So we're stripping out basically the whole of the interior, all the floor pans certainly anyway, all the trims off. And then we're going to be dyno matting the front section in the Xtreme dyno matting. And then the Superlight to the back half, just for a bit of lightness, save on the old weight. And then door cards off, and we'll be super lighting the door cards too, behind the door cards.
Fantastic.
Lovely times, hey, lovely times. We do a little bit extra on the outside. We've got to refit some side trims, some side skirts here were a little bit loose, so we'll have those off as well. Superb. Get those all fit back on. Lovely.
Lovely times.
Lovely times, eh? Come back and see us soon. Yeah, all good. All good. Now coming out with the carpet. Little tap there, little tap here. Lovely. We got them, Rob.
Yep, all done.
Here we go. That's all coming now. Little wire there, what's that? Right, we'll do right out of the battery, Rob.
Yeah. Lovely.
There we go, mate. Lovely. Don't get that carpet right, do you? Stick that upstairs then, Rob. Lovely. Come on, have a look. We're pretty stripped out. And it's what a Punto Abarth looks like underneath, you know.
Door cards off.
Yeah, door cards are all off. Stripped, ready to be dynamatted in the Superlight. Should make quite a lot of difference, this car, because as you can see there was not a lot of sound insulation in there at all. It's all pretty bare metal in it. So once that's all fit, that will make quite a big difference to this vehicle. Lovely times.
Hello, pal.
Hello, mate. How you doing?
All good.
All good. All good. Oh, mate, we're cracking on now. Look, come and see where we're up to. Look. So in fact, I've done a bit under there as well. So this is the Xtreme, the thicker of the Dynamat, which we're doing the whole of this front half with.
Yeah.
Then just to save him a little bit of weight, we're doing the back section in the supalite, which is this stuff, which is just a little bit lighter weight.
Let's have a little look at that.
Also be doing inside the door cards for that as well, just keep weight down. But yeah, we're cracking on, we're getting there, we're doing okay.
Is there much difference between the supalite and the Xtreme, would you say?
There is quite a difference in the weight. I mean, obviously this is going to be a lot better for your sound insulation, but this will still help. It's yeah, lovely stuff to fit and put on. Nice steady self-adhesive back. We put it on, and you've got a little tool here to get into all our little crevices. Look.
Yeah, to roll it all in.
Yeah,
nice.
right about that. Yeah. Just so we fill every little crevice.
Superb, mate. Superb.
Yeah.
Here's the products just down here. Good stuff. Let you carry on, pal.
Hey, mate. See you soon. Oh, mate, I'm now finishing off the door.
That's looking good, mate.
Yeah. Looking lovely, isn't it?
It's looking rather smart.
Yeah.
Got it right inside the door, I see.
Right up as far as I can get. I've got right deep, right up to my sort of shoulders in there. I've got like this, yeah.
Yeah, lovely.
It's making quite a nice difference. I'll show you the difference, shall I?
Yeah.
So this is done now. Hear that? Quite a solid. And then this side. Quite a difference there. We're gonna do the back quarters as well from the inside.
Yeah.
We'll crack on. That's pretty much the last bit to be done now.
Fantastic.
Quarter panels.
Using the superlight inside the doors.
Yeah, superlight inside the doors, superlight inside the rear quarter panels as well. It's just purely the front bit with the Xtreme, just to keep it real quiet in there.
Fantastic. We'll have a quick look in. It's not finished inside yet, but it's getting there.
We're getting there nicely now, aren't we?
Superb, yes, we've got our Xtreme all at the front, comes the Superlight all in the back.
Yeah.
We'll have a little bit more video.
Does the customer want it fit back in, or is he going to put the seats back in? Does he want us to do that?
Themselves, mate,
yeah, just put it all in the boot. Yeah.
Put it all in the boot.
Yeah, put it all in the boot for him.
Just chuck it all back inside.
Yeah. Cool, yeah. I'll carry on, crack on.
Superb, mate.
Hello, mate. Back again, are you? Back again?
I'm back again,
oh,
mate.
How are we getting on? We're pretty much all, well, I say we're all done. The Dynamat is all done. It was all fitted as it should be. Obviously done the two door cards. Can't really see an awful lot now as we put the backing back on.
Yeah.
Floor plans all covered. As far as we can into the rear quarter panels.
Yeah, we'll have a little look in there, look.
All the
all Dynamated inside there.
All the boot area, tyre well. Yeah. I think that'll make quite a difference.
Superb, looking good.
So now we're just looking at getting all the bits fit back in. There's a few bits missing, I feel. Yeah, is anything missing?
Couple of
See
bits.
a few little bits. Yeah,
we'll just a couple of bits.
Get the carpet all back in, and then start refitting all the trims and seats and etc.
Superb.
Lovely job, hey?
So don't forget to give us a shout at old Black Stag Styling.
No. If you want to come around this, I'll show you. I'll demonstrate round here how good the Dynamat is. If you come around this window, I'll shut this door up a minute, and you can just see basically if you can hear me. Okay, so So yeah, it shows quite a difference there. Obviously there's no door handle, so I couldn't get it out, but yeah, quite a difference to the older sound.
Quite impressive,
yeah.
Quite impressive.
Yeah, impressing it, Rob.
What do you think, Rob, towards all the work that
it's almost like he's done it himself.
Yeah.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah,
Like done everything himself.
Yeah, done pretty well there.
How do you get so dirty, Rob?
I've just been playing with the gravel all day.
Just playing with the gravel, mate. Yeah. But no, all good.
Right, okay, we are now going to go and see how Rob is getting on in the old workshop. So he's now finishing getting everything fitted back into the inside of the vehicle. Done the front section of the carpet and the centre console. We're just going to see how he's getting on with the rest. And he's still got the seats to go in. So yeah, let's see how he's getting on. There we go. Oh, got Tommy over here as well, look.
Hola.
Tommy's just fitting the sill trims back on.
No, I'm just cleaning the sill in a really inefficient fashion.
Oh, there we go. Just got this very small, that's all we're trusting with. It's that very small cleaning bit of equipment. So yeah, Rob's got all the carpet back in. Well, in the front section anyway. Doing a lovely job there. There he is down here, look. Hello, Rob.
I'm mad. Should play spot the difference. I'm mad.
Who's that?
I'm mad.
You did
Door cards are all on. There we go, look.
Ad's done it.
And then a fair bit of the old centre console and carpet. So still got the back section all to go in. It is looking good.
Right, we're all done. Job's a good one. So we've refitted all the interior trims. Obviously, last time you see it, it looks a bit bare inside. So yeah, all the carpets, trims, everything are fitted all back in.
Fantastic, looking all good, isn't it?
Yeah, doing a nice clean up to finish. Doing that a little wash up. We're doing that Abarth. Doing a little Abarth ready to go back to the customer. We've also had his side skirts off here. They'd been sort of poorly fitted in the past with sort of sealer and whatnot. We've had them completely off, refitted them correctly, so they're all nice and flush now.
Yeah,
all looking good, yeah. Lovely little car.
Have a quick look in the boot, Adam, if you don't mind.
I don't know if I can do that. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Here you go.
Car, this and that.
Yeah, to be honest with you, oh no, we haven't put the stuff back in yet. Customer's got a bit of stuff to go back in the boot, but yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so everything fitted back all nicely, nice and neat. We're then giving it all a clean, haven't we?
Yeah, it's all been cleaned up nicely.
Lovely. That's looking good, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's quite a rare car, this. The customer was telling us. I think one of only 30.
One of 30 in the country, and he's done quite a lot of stuff in the inside with this Alcantara. He's even got a Alcantara parcel shelf, look.
Yeah, that's quite smart, isn't it? Nice.
Yeah, there's some lovely little touches in there.
Yeah.
Backs of the seats are very different to normal, a little bit flashed, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're all white, aren't they? All white.
All white in the back.
All white, they're white they are. Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking good, mate. Smart little car, this.
Yeah, but no, it's all ready for the customer now.
Right, we'll run it outside, do the last little bits of filming. Right guys, thanks once again for checking out another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs. So in this one, as you have seen as we've gone through the video, it's been the Fiat Punto Abarth. Quite a rare little car this. It's been yeah, a real privilege and very kind of the customer to have us or choose us to do the work on it. So as you've seen, we've stripped out all the interior basically, seats, carpet, everything out the floor, most of the panels out as well, and then cleaned and prepped all the floor area, and of course inside the door cards as well, or behind the door cards, and then align everything with either Dynamat Xtreme or Dynalite or Dynamat Lite. So you've got one they're both really good sound deadening products. Dynamat Xtreme probably a little bit thicker, a little bit heavier, and then in the areas where we wanted to just sort of maintain the weight saving because of the type of car it is, we've used the Dynamat product as well, just to save on a bit of weight. So everything's all now back together, it's all ready to go back to the customer, and we've given it all a lovely little clean. So as always, it's appreciated for checking out the channel. Do check out some of the other videos on the channel as well. There's loads of bits and pieces we've got up to, including you know, hydro dipping, styling, repairs. So do check some of them videos out as well. Don't forget, do like and subscribe to the old channel, turn on the old notifications and stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Maybe check out some of our merch as well, because we've got hoodies, t-shirts, caps, you name it. All the links are down below, all our other social media of course as well. And we will catch you again soon. We'll give you a last little look around the car, as it is a little beauty, this one, and quite rare. And we'll catch you again soon for another video. Take care.